Hello and good day to you. This is Group 10's presentation of Project Assignment 2 for Clockster. My name is Lito Buen, and I will be presenting the first portion of this project. This first dashboard, we are showing the relationship of late logins, early logouts, and absences per user, department, and by position. On all three graphs here, the most prominent value that you will see is the number of absences. As you can see here, the medical department shows the most number of absences, lates, and early outs. The result on this graph is proven on the next graph by position. It shows here that the doctor and the nurse has the most number of late ins, early outs, and absences. Both the doctor and the nurse positions are members of the medical team. So it says, yeah, it shows here that the doctor has the highest percentage or highest number of absences, which may indicate, this indicates that this position is facing a high level of burnout or stress. Maybe because there is a lack of coverage when doctors are away, those factors. I may say the same thing with nurses, about nurses, because both positions work hand in hand and almost work on the same task. Okay, so we have the leaves and late-ins bookmark. Based on this data, when it shows here that uh, there is a correlation between leaves, the number of leaves an employee takes, and their tendency to be late. This relationship holds true for both the employee's position, department, and as well as per user. One possible explanation that for this is that employees who take more leaves tend to have more difficulty managing their time and responsibilities, leading to increased tardiness. Another possibility could be that employees who are frequently late may have a lesser commitment to their job, which will result to punctuality issues. Okay, so let's check the position bookmark here. Okay, basing on the results of the data analysis, the most disciplined based on position is the midwife position at 96%. It shows here that they are the lowest in the percentage and coming in late and percentage in logging out early. Actually, it's not seen here because they are on 0%. They have one of the highest here. They are 100% on time out and 100% on time in. The most undisciplined based on position, we may say is the warehouse staff position. They have the highest percentage coming in late, 27%. And they have, yeah, almost the highest in early out, 11, and highest, 76%. So the most undisciplined department, let's go to the department bookmark. The most undisciplined department is obvious here. It's the PBF department. It tops on the percentage of coming in late, percentage on logging out early, and the percentage of absences. Percentage of coming on time, they're the lowest as well. So the most disciplined department here is the pharmacy department because they're topping it here. They're the top on the percentage of attendance by department, pharmacy. Okay, so I will send you over now to Relly Rangasan for the continuation of this presentation.
Thank you, Lito. My name is Relly Rangasan, and I will be presenting the succeeding dashboards. So for dashboard number 2, this is about late-ins and absences of employees of Clockster. In August of 2002, had the highest number of employees who were absent, which is 779 absences, from which 294 from medical, 256 from support center, 100 from pharmacy, and 67 from PBF. While late-ins, both March and June had the highest tendencies of employees being late, which is 40 late-ins. And Thursday is the peak of the work week where employees were late. And for dashboard number 3, as you can see here, the general manager with the user ID 74027 had seen favorable amount of instances of getting paid more than he worked for. He is on a monthly basic rate, but he received more than he's supposed to get. He only worked once out of 208 work scheduled. Same thing with one staff from finance and accounting departments. While on the daily salary basic rate, a doctor with a user ID 125744 had attended only 4 days of work out of 61 scheduled work and got paid more than what is his basic pay. So we could see here that there is an abuse in power based on the data sets given. So for our recommendations, it would be data engineers should check the collected data to ensure accuracy, completeness, reliability, relevance, and timeliness. Backing up of data should also be done on a regular basis. And also, the CEO should discuss with the HR team to discuss necessary sanctions for staff who are abusing their positions or power.